एकूच मंत्र्याक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां, नावशी म्हणटा तो एक फिशींग वर्ड आनी मार्क जालां जावं ना हें दुसरे भशेन. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा की ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन हे नावशी आसा, हें एक जालें. मेन स्पिकर सर तो मिनिस्टर, लॉ मिनिस्टरूय बी, म्हणून हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां, MPT म्हळ्यार नॉट MPA, MPT got into a lease deed with Khargwal Construction when in 2010 MPT Khargwal Construction कडेन लीज डीड केली. कितले जमनीची न्ही, वॉटरफ्रंटाची 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर. आतां त्या टायमाचेर MPT was not the owner of that. So MPT got into a lease deed with somebody without owning the property. Speaker sir, he म्हजे कडेन लीज डीड आहा. I will place it or I will send to the legislature secretary by email immediately. Major Ports Bill, Speaker sir, 2016 आयले. Major Ports Authority Act 2021 आयलो. ताजे मागीर MPT became MPA. आनी ताजे मागीर IPB प्रपोजल्स तांणी सबमीट केलो आनी IPBन तांकां पयलीं परमिशन दिल्लें 2015. पूण मेजर इश्यू कितें आहा स्पिकर सर, कोणाकूय कसलें परमिशन दिवचे पयलीं जमिनीत तर म्हजी न्ही, हांव एप्लाय कशें करूंक शकता? म्हजी जमीन नासतना हांवें काडली आनी युरी कडेन तर लीज डीड केली आनी युरीन एप्लाय केलें, जावंक शकना स्पिकर सर. पयलीं जमीन म्हजी आसपा जाय. सो हांव एक मंत्र्या कडेन मागतां की हो एस्पेक्ट तुमी पयलीं चॅक करा. आनी दर आमकां आनी आमच्या सरकाराक दिसता की आमचे ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅनाचो इंट्रस्ट आमी राखूंक जाय, जाल्यार MPTचो एग्रीमेंट खरगवाला बरोबर 2010 जो केल्लो, जेन्ना तुमी नाशिल्ले हांगा, तेन्ना काँग्रेस सरकार आशिल्लो, तो एक्सक्यूज घेया आनी ताका भायर उडया आनी शेतकारांक राखा.
मिनिस्टर.
आनी स्पिकर सर, तेन्ना कोण मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो, कितें आशिल्लें तें हांव वचूंक वचना. कित्याक वचना? कित्याक MPT तेन्ना गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या अंडर नाशिल्ली. हांव केन्नाच म्हणना की गोंयच्या सरकाराच्या अंडर MPT आयल्या, ना, हांव तें म्हणना. हांव फकत इतलें म्हणटा की MPTच्या बापायचे बेस्ट म्हणून MPT चिंतता. MPT हॅज बिकम अ स्टेट विदीन अ स्टेट. बेतलान मेरेन तांकां लागता. आरोसी बिचार
प्रश्न कितें तुजो?
हांव एकूच ताका पॉयंट आवट करूंक सोदतां की जमीन म्हळ्यार वॉटरफ्रंट MPTचो नाशिल्लो. नासतना दे वेंट इनटू अ लीज डीड विथ खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन. खरगवाल कन्स्ट्रक्शन तुमचे म्हऱ्यान आयलां, IPB म्हऱ्यान आयलां, GCZMA म्हऱ्यान आयलां, परमिशन दी म्हणून मरिना घालपाक. जमीनूच तुजी नाशिल्ली तेन्ना
प्रश्न
तूं घेतलो कसो? विल यू कन्सिडर दीस?
Speaker sir, I will definitely consult the learned AG and get back.
Yes.
But we will definitely study this aspect.
Speaker, this Nauxim Marina is a very important issue, and Honorable Minister has made a statement that Shikali dilna permission kitating oyster pane window pane oyster rasamon. I want to bring to the notice of the House that when this project proponent tene EIA management report dalda, they have said the window pane oyster is the second item in the picture. They shown that the window pane oysters are there in this Nauxim Bay, and I will submit it. There are photographs which are showing. I will send that also. They have put the pictures of it. Now on that, earlier it was Schedule 4 of the Wildlife Act. Now it has been moved as Schedule 2. I'll just pass this quickly. Just can you? It is gone as Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Act, and I would request you to kindly look at it because this cannot be touched and cannot be destroyed. So you'll have to factor this in when you're considering an application. But another major issue which comes here is, I think the government will be aware that there is a proceedings filed about the ownership of this land. The land, according to me, belongs to the government of Goa. The government of Goa has not granted the land to this project proponent. But they go and apply to MPT for getting permission and they execute a lease deed with MPT. How could they have done this? And I will just quote this. There are 4 copies, 3 copies. One for the Honorable Speaker, one for the Chief Minister, one for the Minister. Can you just pass that? Quickly. Then dila.
Dilati ek copy di.
Dite. So that you can just see this. Can I just read in the meantime?
Yes.
In page 1 of this, what I've given today, This is section 14 of the Land Revenue Code. All lands, public roads, lanes and paths and bridges, ditches, dikes and fences, on or beside the same, the bed of the sea, please remember, end of harbors, and creeks below the high water mark, end of rivers, streams, nullas, lakes and tanks, and all canals and watercourses, and all standing and flowing water, and all rights in or over the same or appertaining thereto, which are not the property of any person, and are hereby declared to be property of the government. So even the thing which is under the water, under the river or the sea, the bed of the sea, up to the high tide mark, belongs to the government of Goa. So it is a completely chicanerous way where they have taken this, gone to MPT, executed a lease, and government of Goa has been left just to watch it. How can it happen? You should have tendered. You should have invited applications. You should have granted the land or refused to grant the land. That's a different question. This is question of jurisdiction.